In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a list in the Reminder app so you're able to set a reminder. You need to know how to do this before adding a reminder, which I'll show you next week. Hello everyone, welcome to Adam's Apple Tech Guide YouTube channel. Hope you enjoyed the video. First, you want to go into Reminders. Then you want to tap Add List. Then you want to type a name for your reminder list. For example, it can be YouTube, a shopping list, or a to-do list, or anything else you want it to be. If you do not set up a list for your reminders to go in, you will not be able to set up a reminder. I'm going to call mine YouTube. Then you want to tap Done once you have typed in what you want it to be. Then you can choose a colour for your reminder list. I'm going to have red. Then you're able to choose a symbol for your reminder out of all of these. I'm going to have the TV. Once you have chosen the colour and the symbol for your list, tap Done, then it will be added here. You can add as many lists as you want. Now you're able to add a reminder, which I will show you next week. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.